This moist banana bread combines the natural sweetness of ripe bananas with a deep flavor of rich cocoa powder and the crunchy topping of walnuts and dark chocolate chips. It's truly a satisfying treat anytime. Start by creaming together half cup of margarine with half cup of brown sugar. While the mixer is creaming the margarine with the sugar, I take the 2 bananas and using the fork I mash them. You need about 2 bananas or 1 cup mashed banana. When the mixture of margarine and brown sugar becomes light in color, then we start adding 2 eggs, one at a time, mixing well after each addition until well incorporated. We are also adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and also adding the mashed banana and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm using Himalayan. And then we need 1.5 cups of flour, in which I stir 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder and then start adding this to the mixture. The mixture at the beginning will look like it's curd, but once you add the flour, it will all become smooth again. Adding the flour slowly and also the milk. Make sure it's on low speed when you do this so you don't get the flour cloud everywhere. So this will help our mixture to become lump-free and smooth and creamy. Once the flour is incorporated, the batter is done. Do not over mix it. For the chocolate swirls, we mix together 1/4 cup of cocoa powder and 2 tablespoons of milk until it's creamy. Then we remove about a cup of our batter mixture and stir this cocoa mixture into the batter. Stir in well until the mixture becomes one color. Add a splash of milk if it feels too thick. Then we start adding the batter to our prepared pan, which I line with parchment paper by alternating levels of vanilla batter with the chocolate batter. You can use a spoon to do this. I like to use the spring-loaded ice cream scoop. Just find it easier and faster. You need about 3 or 4 layers, and then you take a butter knife and just run through both batters to make those swirls. The recipe makes 1 regular loaf of banana bread, or you can double the recipe and make more mini loaves as I did in this video. I'm going to leave the ingredients for 1 loaf of banana bread in the description below. Once the swirling is done, top them with chopped walnuts and also chocolate chips. This will give a delicious and rich chocolatey flavor to the banana loaf. Bake them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 45 to 55 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. And here are all the loaves I made, and they look delicious. Let them cool in the pan for a few minutes before removing them to a cooling rack. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe and you're going to decide to give it a try. And please remember to like and share and subscribe to my channel. Also, feel free to leave me a comment. Thank you for watching and see you next time.